Hello there, modern man. Are you stuck relying on ED pills just to perform? Well, discover the hidden danger no one talking about and how you can break free for good. I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a sexual health medical doctor. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. Look, if you're thinking, I just need the right pill for my ED, this video may make you a little uncomfortable, but it could also save your life and your sex life. Because here's the truth. Those little blue pill, yellow, or generic pills were never designed to fix the actual ED problem. They were designed to help you get through the night while the real issue quietly gets worse in the background. In this video, the hidden danger of relying on ED pills will be broken down, and the things most doctors are not explaining to you in a 7-minute visit, and how treating the natural root cause pill-free approach through the Get Hard system will be laid out so you can rebuild strong, reliable erection again without being chained to a prescription bottle. Stay to the end, especially if pills have stopped working as well for you and never really, or stay to the end, especially if pills have stopped working for you or that you don't want to take a pill. So this is your doctor pill first playbook. Let's be honest about how this actually goes here. You finally work up the courage to talk about ED to your doctor. They do a quick history, check your blood pressure, and say, well, let's try Viagra or Cialis. You walk out with a prescription and a little bit of hope. But here is what almost never gets said. No deep discussion about your blood vessel, about the fact that ED is often an early warning sign of heart disease. You know that 67% of men get a heart attack 7 to 10 years after diagnosis of ED. No one said that to you, did they? And that no real plan has been discussed to fix the cause of your ED, or maybe even look at your testosterone, look at your nerve, or look at your diet and your exercise plan. And no explanation to you on top of that, whether these pills are a repair or they're just symptom managers. It is not that your doctor is not good. It's just that the system is rushed. They don't have time, and pills are the fastest box to check. But when ED is treated this way, it is like putting duct tape over a warning light on your car dashboard and pretending the engine is fine. Hidden danger number one, pills train your body to depend on them. Have you ever wondered why pills stop working or why you're still struggling even after taking ED meds? Well, it's not just in your head. You don't have to settle for the side effects or the frustration. The first hidden danger is that psychological and behavioral dependence. So what it means is that every time you want to be intimate, you reach for that pill just in case your brain and your body start to get the message, I cannot perform without this. That belief alone can fuel performance anxiety. Now, it is not just can I get it up? Is it, what if I forgot my pill? Or what if the pill does not kick in fast enough? Over time, this can erode your natural confidence and desire, make spontaneous, playful sex feel stressful and scheduled, turn intimacy into a medical procedure instead of a connection. The tragic part, many men actually perform better naturally if their underlying issues were addressed. But they never give their body a chance because they have been conditioned to think that the pill is doing all the work. Hidden danger number two, pills ignore the real problem, right? Pills can make you feel good enough to ignore serious health issues. Erections are all about blood flow, nerve function, and hormone. When erection weakens, it often means blood vessels are stiffening, nerves are irritated or damaged, or hormones like testosterone are out of balance. When a pill gets you enough just to get by, it is very tempting to think problem solved. However, blood pressure may go creeping up, blood sugar and insulin resistance are damaging your arteries and your nerve. Cholesterol inflammation is accelerating plaque buildup, which mean decreased blood flow. So ED is one of the earliest visible red flags of heart disease. For some men, it shows up years before a heart attack. Like if you have ED, 67% of you may have a heart attack 7 to 10 years down the road. If that happened, well, here's a pill. See you next year. Well, you lose the chance to catch and reverse what is really going on. The longer the root causes are ignored, the more erectile tissue itself can scar and weaken, making future recovery even harder. Hidden danger number 3. Not every man responds, and often responds fade, meaning you are rarely told this in the office, but a significant proportion of men do not get a good response to ED med, about 25 to 30%. Many who respond at first notice the effect of fading over time. A lot of men simply stop refilling their prescription after a few months. Why? Because if your foundation, your vascular system or your blood flow system, your hormones and your psychological health stays poor, the pill is fighting a losing battle. So what happens next? Men start chasing higher doses. They try stacking different meds on top of each other, risking blood pressure problems, and they feel more broken each time something does not work. No one explained that the house is sinking. They keep being sold new paint, if you know what I mean. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there. Hidden danger number 4, side effects and blind spots. ED pills are generally safe when used correctly and screened properly, but safe does not mean no issues. Common side effects like headache, flushing, nasal congestion, stomach upset are annoying enough. Some men experience visual changes, back pain. In some men, certain heart medication like nitrate can cause dangerous outright low blood pressure. The problem is not that the pill exists. The problem is when it is handed out without a serious look at your heart, your blood flow, a conversation about how to reduce your dependence over time, or a roadmap for what to do if or when the pills stop working. This is what most men never hear. Pills are a tool, not a plan. Why the right pill myth keeps you stuck? The belief is just, I just need the right pill, is seductive because it promises no, you don't have to do anything. It's easy, it's quick, and no real effort. But it keeps you stuck in 3 ways. You stay focused on tonight, not the next 20 or the next 20 years of your health. You never build a habit that actually repair your erection from the inside out. You start to see yourself dependent upon the medication for an erection response that should be so natural to you. So if the only strategy is keeping trying different pills, then you are living on borrowed time, guys, because you are gambling with not only your sex life, but also your health as well. That's why I created the Get Hard system, a pill-free roadmap program to get you out of the pill. The Get Hard system is designed to do what pills cannot: identify and repair the root cause of your ED so your body can go back to what it is designed to do, to get natural erection every time without a pill. So you can position it clearly and simply. It's not just positive thinking or eat better and exercise. It is not a bag of random supplements on the internet. It is a structured medical and lifestyle system built around how erection actually works. Think of it as upgrading the entire erection ecosystem: your blood vessel, your nerve, your hormone, your brain, and your relationship. So to find your real why, stop guessing. get inside the Get Hard system, the first phase focuses on deep assessment, so you can find out exactly where your erection are struggling. That include comprehensive lab, comprehensive sexual history, and what are your morning erection like? What's your porn use, stress, relationship dynamics? And then we look at your blood sugar, we look at your insulin, your hormones, and medication. And if appropriate, we can test the nerve or the pelvic floor health as well. The goal is to answer one question: what is your personal combination of causes, and what is the shortest path to fix them? Once that map is clear, the plan is no longer random, it is precise. Next phase is rebuild your erection foundation. Next, the Get Hard system focuses on rebuilding your foundation so your body becomes erection friendly again. This is where lifestyle medicine turns from vague into actionable protocol. We look at your nutrition and recommend the appropriate nutrition you need to be on, which is the Mediterranean diet, exercise training, doing weights and also cardio to boost your circulation and to also boost your testosterone. Sleep, 7 hours of deep sleep that will regulate your hormone and reset your energy again. And habits such as decreasing smoking, decrease alcohol, and stress management. The point is not perfection. The point is progress that directly translates into better blood flow, better hormone, and better erection. And so I also use advanced tools strategically. So if you have long-standing ED that result in blood vessel damage, nerve damage, or have failed ED, you may need more tools such as doing stem cell therapy with your own blood, platelet-rich plasma, such as focused shock wave, such as Botox, which all restore blood flow again in the area where it is needed the most, in your penis. Every tool is chosen to move you towards independence, not dependence on pill. And so we also work on resetting your mind and how you think about sexual relations as well too, and reframe it in a more positive light. So let's bring all this together. So all of these things from the Get Hard system is to do one thing: to stop you depending on pill to pill, get you to get morning erection again, help you feel stronger, leaner, more energized, and that get your sex life back again. So you are on the right path to a healthy sex life. The Get Hard system addresses this right at the root core. So if you're tired of gambling on another pill and hoping this one will finally fix everything, this is your moment. Do not wait for things to get worse. Do not keep putting duct tape over a warning light in your car. Here's what to do next. Apply for the link below to see if the Get Hard system will be appropriate for you, whether we can work together. Then hit subscribe and turn on notification and share this with somebody that you feel may benefit from this episode. And comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. What are you working on right now? And just know that you are not alone. You are not broken. And there are alternatives to ED, and that we are here to support you all the way. Check out the link below. Find out how the Get Hard system can help you. And so, modern man, you just need a stronger system, not a stronger pill. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.